Hello and welcome back for day 5 of our series called The Godly Home. And man, we've had 4 really good days. I haven't gotten any hate mail, I hope, for the first 4 days of this. But day 1, we talked about our Heavenly Father, God, and our relationship to Him. And day 2, we talked about husbands, love your wives. And on day 3, we talked about wives, submit to and respect your husbands. Day 3, we talked about parents and their relationship to their children. And today, we're going to pull all this thing together here. This is the pinky finger on the hand of this series, so to speak. It holds it all together, and this is children to parents. So yesterday, we talked about parents to children. Today, we're going to talk about children to parents. So let us jump right into it. Ephesians chapter 6. Verses 1 through 3 says this: Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor your father and mother, which is the first commandment with promise, that it may be well with you and you may live long on the earth. And then Colossians 3:20 is like it. It says this: Children, obey your parents in all things, for this is well pleasing to the Lord. Notice in Ephesians 6:1, it says, Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. So what does that mean? That means mom and dad, they're trying to teach you godly things. Listen to them. You know, sometimes parents tell kids to do things that are ungodly. And in those situations where maybe mom and dad's not a believer, and you're in a tough spot as a young person because you're trying to figure out, I want to honor my parents, but I know I shouldn't do this thing. Your first priority is to be well-pleasing to God in this life. But God gave you parents. So sometimes there's times where I've had to disagree with mom and dad, but you can do it in a respectful way and still honor them. Okay? And especially as you get older. You know, as you get older and the time comes to break away from mom and dad a little bit, that can be a difficult time for mom and dad. But what I'm telling you is this: we have multiple commands. Children, that means young people. People still living in mom and daddy's home. Guess what? You're living in mom and daddy's home. You better obey your parents in all things, for this is right. Unless they're telling you to break the commands of God. So what am I saying here? Young people, you may think you have it all figured out. Guess what? You don't, and you won't. Even I don't have it all figured out. But what you can do is honor your father and your mother. Honor them. Honor them. Boy, I think about all the times I didn't honor mom and dad, and I'm really sorry for that. My mom's still living. My dad passed on. Mom, I'm sorry that there's times where I don't feel like I honor you very well. And so what I'm telling you all is this: honor your mother and your father. They brought you into this world, and believe me, they can take you out of this world if they want to. So can your heavenly Father. You better honor him in all things too. And parents, don't forget, I'm going to throw this back in there. This is from yesterday. Don't provoke your kids. Make yourself an easy person to honor, to give honor to. I hear parents sometimes say, my kids don't respect me. And I want to say, well, I don't respect you either. Because from what I've seen, you're not a respectful person yourself. So parents, if you're struggling with being respectful to your kids, you need to change that. God gave them to you. They're a precious gift. But kids, you need to love and honor and respect your parents. That is a commandment with a promise, that your days may be long. You want to live a long life? Honor your father and mother. If you don't, they may take you out of there. Just telling you. Thank you so much for watching all 5 days of this series. If you missed any, go back and watch them. Share these out, like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell. And again, I thank you so much for supporting us. This channel has really grown over the past 2 months, and I look forward to seeing what will happen by Christmas time. Thank you so much for all you do. God bless.